It's really fun, man, riding this bike. खै फोनै लागेन केही छैन पढा भयो होला पढे होला टान्टोजालाई फोनै लागेन हल्ला गरी Very good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. So yeah, right now I'm in Siliguri, and I didn't bring my bike, so I'm riding my brother's bike, KTM Duke 250. जसको चाहिँ अब अस्ति जुन चाहिँ भिडियोमा हेर्नुभयो योभन्दा अगाडिको भिडियोमा चाहिँ हैन Duke 250 Rust त्यो चाहिँ यही बाइक हो मेरो बाइक हो है बाइकमा त्यस्तो केही भएन है खाली लेकारमा चाहिँ अलिकति बाङ्गेको छ त्यो चाहिँ I'll replace it once the part will come in Siliguri showroom-मा आएपछि चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ छैन अरे स्टकमा है त्यही भएर अब त्यतिकै अहिले चलाउँदैछ. Okay, so yeah, by seeing the thumbnail you guys have already known that which bike I'm gonna test ride today. So yeah, it's Ducati Monster 797 in matte black, and right now I'm heading towards destination adventure. So yeah, I'm heading towards destination adventure, which is there in Biswadip Hall in Hillcart Road, if I'm not wrong. So actually त्यहाँ चाहिँ उनीहरूको चाहिँ destination adventure is a company who gives us. So destination adventure is a company which gives bikes on rent. So you guys can contact them for the bike. So yeah, as I was saying, destination adventure बाट चाहिँ अब you guys can rent a bike if you are planning to visit North Sikkim or Sikkim, anywhere in Sikkim. And अब त्यो plan छ भने चाहिँ you guys can contact them, destination adventure. So yeah, we are here in Biswadip. Okay, so I can see the bike. So here is destination adventure. So yeah, this is the bike, as you can see. Ducati Monster 797. So let's go first inside. First customer, okay? कैसे है भैया? Yes, under that. So we are here in destination adventure. So this is destination adventure, and Rolanda, hey Rolanda. Hi. Even he has a YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel, guys, is Loudest the Biker. If you haven't seen my channel, so brother will give my channel's link, and please do visit my channel. And if you like my contents, then do subscribe. And if you like more, then give the thumbs up and share my channel. Thank you.
Okay, so I will be putting the link to his channel in the description box below. So this is destination adventure, and you guys can contact them for bike rentals. So tell them something about the rental.
Yeah, guys. So we have an office in near Biswadip Cinema Hall, and we deal with adventure trips. We organize adventure customization trip, and we rent bikes. If you want a rental bike for Bhutan trip, Sikkim trip, Nepal trip, so you come to us, visit our office, or you can visit our website also. It's www.destinationadventure.in. The description is there. You choose the bike, and after that you send us a mail. So from there you can book our bike. Okay, guys.
Loudest got the money, bags.
All I wanna be was a motherfucking dope boy. All I wanna be was a motherfucking dope boy. All I wanna be was a motherfucking dope boy. I'll never be a wannabe.
The Tormic Noni exhaust, and it is the MotoGP exhaust which Rossi uses in MotoGP. Okay, so now it's time to ride. Okay, sir. Oh. Oh. So right now, guys, I'm in Ducati Monster, and sound is really big, man. Oh, अब जे बाइक त बाटो चाहिँ अलिकति भएन है, so don't mind. The road is bit off still. The bike is managing, and I can I'm cruising at low RPM in third gear. Still the bike is really smooth. I hope you guys can hear the sound of the Ducati. Giving rev bumps, and everyone is looking at me. So right now I'm in Pradhan Nagar. Whoa. And talking about this bike, it is 797 Ducati Monster. It is 803cc, and it has got the bhp of 73. Ooh. And talking about the heat, I'm not feeling that much heat on my legs. So त्यति अब गरम खुट्टामा हिट चाहिँ आएको छैन है, ट्राफिकमा त्यत्रो ट्राफिक भएर पनि। So I'll be taking left from here. And this is the first time that I'm riding a Ducati. And it has got the power, man. And power delivery is really nice. Because अब त्यति मलाई आइडिया चाहिँ थाहा भएन यसको कति हो हैन, अब टर्क कति छ भनेर त्यस्तो चाहिँ थाहा भएन डिटेलमा. So I'll be putting the link in the description box below, so check it out, guys. About the long tour in this bike, I think it will be possible, because like the sitting position is okay. You can do think long distance in this bike also, but I really like the sound, man. Okay, so let's try out here. It's really fun, man, riding this bike. Whoa! Whoa! So I've reached destination adventure again. Whoa! Okay, so now it's time to go home. It's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's really hot. And if you guys like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, ride hard, ride safe.